Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna make is horchata. It's Mexican Spanish uh, rice drink. It's pretty good. I probably didn't pronounce it right 100%, but it's made out of rice, water, cinnamon, sugar, and evaporated milk. Is pretty much how it's made. That simple. I'm looking for cooking ideas, food ideas. Um, Leave them in the comments below. Hit the like and subscribe button also on my videos and stuff. I came to a slump. I am having issues with food ideas and what to cook. I'll try anything. I'll cook stuff. I'll try something once. Not a problem. Don't leave any goofy things down in the comments though, like stuff that nobody would ever eat. Don't do that. Okay. Thanks, and keep cooking.